Jelly, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Jelly. It's a sticky kind of.
Well, it's a sticky material. It's like weed whacker. We melt it down at 230 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
And use this like a hot glue gun and draw out layer by layer over it.
And so each layer is like nanometer thin, right?
Yeah, each one of these layers is 270 microns. And so we can do out of the box, that's 100 microns.
This is 100 microns. This is a very smooth surface.
So this is three versions of the same model. This is a 340, this is a 270.
Okay, so it's 100 microns. This is the thinnest, obviously most.
Right. So that took the longest to print as well.
Okay.
So this one, which is the lowest resolution, took 2 hours. That one took 7.
That's why. Okay. 2 hour example.
Right. So if you want to do a fast iteration to see what it's going to look like, you go low res, you get the general idea. If you want to get something that looks more like a final product,
High res.
yeah, you go high res.
High res takes more time and more material.
Not more material.
Same material.
Same amount of material. It just takes longer because you have to go around that many more times because each layer is thin. So at the end, maybe slightly more material, but not much.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, this is a beautiful display of the three different kinds of intensity. I can't believe it's 7 hours and 2 hours.
Yeah, and the middle one is 3.
3 hours.
So this is 7.5 actually. So it does get that much more.
Yeah. And then the designs itself, when do you upgrade that?
So you create the design.
Software that
Any
you
type of
use?
CAD software.
Any type of CAD.
Yeah, so anything that's out there is only export in STL or OBJ. Okay, which are standard